Yeah. Hello students, now we are going to learn simple entry and a combined entry. What do you mean by simple entry and a combined entry? Concentrate. Till now we have solved some sums related to the journal. Okay. So you have noticed something? Simple entry. What do you mean by simple entry? It means one account is debited and another account is credited. That is known as simple entry. One account is debited and one account is credited is known as a simple entry. Okay. Second, that is combined entry. Combined entry. What do you mean by combined entry? That is, one account is debited and more than one account is credited, or you can say one account is credited and more than one account is debited. Or more than one account is debited as well as credited. That is known as combined entry. I will give you some examples. I will be identifying which is simple entry and which is a combined entry. I am just taking an example. If I pass an entry like this, purchases account debit 2000 to cash account 2000. This is known as simple entry. One account is debited and one account is credited, or another account is credited. I will use one account, that will be better. That is, one account is credited. One more example related to this. If I write down like this, salary account debit to cash account, this is also example of simple entry, because one account is debited, one account is credited. But if I write like this, purchase account debit 2000 to cash account 500 to Ajay account 1500. This entry is known as combined entry, because one account is debited and more than one account is credited. That is known as combined entry. One more example. If I say cash account is debited Vijay account is debited to sales account. This is known as combined entry. See, one account is credited, and more than one account is debited. Third, more than one account is debited as well as credited. Example, that is cash account debit 10,000, goods account debit 5,000, to capital account 2, loan from Bharat account, that is 12,000. So can I say more than one account is debited or more than one account is credited? That is known as a combined entry. So this is an example of simple entry, and these three examples are of combined entry. So I will just mention over here these examples. That is simple entry, and this is combined entry. Example of combined entry. Okay, so you should remember like this. Thank you.